Traveling have become my passion and lifestyle. As a storyteller and filmmaker, I like to show you exotic places through my lens. Places that you will have to let your eyes believe. This is the place of eternal summer in the US, the famous Florida Keys. We start our journey in the last and most popular of all the Florida Keys. That's Key West. Just like that, we sailed to an island that is far beyond the Florida Keys. A small island in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, the dry Tortugas. If you decide to come here, you can do it either by ferry or seaplane. We chose the first one. When we arrived, we were greeted by blue crystal clear waters, and standing in front of us was the historic Fort Jefferson. Every place has a story, and this fort has a big one that has been read by thousands of people. We ventured inside and on top of it, and the views are incredible.
Make me feel alive, I feel crazy when you make me smile, fly.
But of course, we couldn't leave this island without exploring the waters around it. After the dry Tortugas, we headed back to the Keys, this time straight to Key Largo. Took a boat through a mangrove forest until we got to one of the most amazing reefs in the US. The Pennekamp Coral Reef is a state park that is fully underwater. It offers incredible scenery and wildlife. Check this out. It's amazing how traveling to places like this one changes perspectives, fills up your spirits, and makes yourself better. We made our way to the Florida Everglades, slided through the swamps, and encountered amazing wildlife. And remember, sometimes a trip like this is awaiting for you. I hope you like this episode of XOTKS. I'm gonna bring you more in the next episode. Until then, see ya!